Hello everyone. Welcome back to CryptoHook channel. Today, let's dive into the process of using the PAWS Airdrop platform and explore the exciting milestones, rewards, and features they've made available for users. I'll break it all down in a simple, easy-to-follow way so you can make the most out of it. First things first, when you land on the platform, you'll notice a big, inviting Explore button. It's your gateway to the different sections and opportunities offered by PAWS Airdrop. Go ahead and click on it. Once inside, you'll see various sections and options laid out, but don't worry, I'll guide you step by step. Now, let's move on to the Earn section. This is where you'll find milestones you can complete to earn rewards. It's really straightforward. You'll see a prompt asking you to reach your first milestone. Here's how it works. 1. Press the check button next to the milestone. 2. You might think, I haven't done anything yet. Don't worry. You're still eligible for free rewards at this stage. 3. After checking, you'll be able to claim the milestone. Once you claim the first milestone, move on to the second milestone. The process is the same, check and claim. For this milestone, you'll unlock 5,000 PAWS tokens. Then comes the third milestone and so on. By the time you reach the fourth milestone, you'll need to transact using the platform's Explore feature. Let's go over that in more detail. To reach the next milestones, you'll need to complete specific actions in the Explore section. One important task is adding wPaws coins, or similar tokens. Here's how to do it. 1. Perform a transaction. For example, you might need to send 0.1 Ton tokens, as shown on the screen in the demo. 2. Once you complete this transaction, you'll unlock additional milestones and rewards. Keep in mind that some milestones require completing multiple transactions, but even if you don't meet the exact criteria, you can still claim certain rewards. For maximum benefits, follow the steps outlined and stay consistent. Make sure to read the terms of use provided on the platform. These terms explain the benefits of completing transactions with Ton tokens and how your account will reflect the added coins. For instance, when you add wPaws coins, they are credited to your account and count toward your overall share of rewards. At the same time, milestones will continue appearing under the Earn section for you to claim. Another exciting feature is the Lucky Box. Here's how it works. 1. Navigate to the Oddwise section. 2. Complete 3 to 4 transactions to qualify for the Lucky Box reward. 3. You could unlock up to 25,000 wPaws tokens through this feature. Make sure to perform the required number of transactions to maximize your chances of getting the Lucky Box reward. In addition to milestones and Lucky Boxes, there are mystery quests. These quests involve exploring specific areas and completing a set number of transactions. For instance, the platform might require you to complete 10 Ton token transactions. By doing this, you'll unlock additional rewards and contribute to reaching your milestones faster. The good news is that the more transactions you perform, the more rewards you'll earn. Many projects follow a similar scheme, where rewards are multiplied based on user activity. For example, if 25 million users participate, the fourth milestone will be unlocked for everyone. Now, let's talk about the timeline. Pause Airdrop has set a window of 3 days for users to complete their transactions and claim rewards. According to their announcements, the mining phase is expected to close by December 30th. Afterward, the platform is likely to list tokens for trading in the following month. So, be sure to take advantage of the current opportunities before the deadline passes. By staying active and completing milestones, you'll maximize your rewards and set yourself up for future benefits when the tokens are listed. To sum up, the PAWS Airdrop platform offers an engaging way to earn rewards through milestones, transactions, and special features like Lucky Boxes and mystery quests. The process is simple. 1. Explore the platform and understand its sections. 2. Complete milestones by checking, claiming, and performing transactions. 3. Participate in additional features like Lucky Boxes to boost your rewards. Remember to stay consistent, follow the steps, and meet the transaction requirements to get the most out of this experience. Let me know if you have any questions, and happy earning!